It's me, Sonic the...
Whoa! Check out this vast open world!
What an immersive experience!
Come on, baby, come on, get off.
Jeepers! Truly the bare minimum!
Yo, Sonic, hold on. Man needs money for rent.
Sure thing! I love helping the homeless! Shadow, what are you doing? Sorry, Sonic, there's no scenario where this man lives. No, listen, I've got chili dogs! It's buried out here! 80 million chili dogs! All you need to do is to let him go! How about it, Hank? Should I let you go? My name is ASAP Schrader, and you can go fuck yourself.